Okay. I'm not looking at these cards. Okay, pick a card. Like that. I didn't see it.
Show it to me.
I'm not looking. Okay, put it back on top. Now, cut the deck behind my back. You can see that I'm not trying to do anything fancy. Okay? I'll look through the cards. This time I can't find it, Elizabeth. I'll cut the deck and try and find it behind my back. Okay, I'm looking.
I saw it.
Behind my back.
I saw it when you were doing it that time.
Okay, now I'll look through the deck.
Young, it says your camera battery's low.
Let's see, where could that... Was that it?
Can I see?